welcome back to another episode of Stay at Home Blues and Oranges, brought to you by After School All Stars Hawaii. I am Miss Chrysa and I'm the site coordinator at Kuhai and Paul Elementary School. And if you're new here, don't forget to follow, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos. And don't forget to follow us at All Stars Hawaii on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok so you can stay connected with us. Hey All Stars! So in today's activity, we're going to be learning how to make edible slime. Right, edible slime. You can eat slime, I know. So all you're going to need in today's activity is pudding. You're going to need pudding. I'm going to do chocolate and vanilla, and you're going to need a 1/4 cup because you need 1/4 cup of pudding. And you need cornstarch. You're going to need 1 cup of cornstarch. And you're going to need some warm water. So you can either throw that in the microwave or turn your hot water on and just wait for it to come warm. But you're going to need 1/3 cup of warm water and bowls and a spoon to mix it with and to hold the slime in. So for step 1, we're going to need 1/4 cup of instant pudding mix. So here's my vanilla pudding. I'm going to open it, and I don't have a 1/4 cup, but I have a 1/2 cup, and I'm going to measure it halfway, and that should be 1/4. So 1/4 cup of vanilla pudding, and in my other bowl, I'm going to put 1/4 cup of chocolate pudding. Get our cornstarch, and we're gonna add 1 cup of cornstarch to each bowl. So I have my 1 cup, and I'm just gonna put start with our chocolate mix, and we are gonna add 1/3 cup of warm water. And now for our vanilla slime. So remember, 1/3 cup of warm water. Remember, you always can add a little bit more, like a tablespoon of warm water. Hey All Stars, so who knew science could be so much fun and delicious? So I hope you enjoyed making edible slime with me, because I know I had so much fun. And who knew slime could taste so good? So until next time, All Stars.